how to view all chat media on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view it. Easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click the storylines here in the top corner. And just select any message here you want, any chat like this one, Spotify, and then click the story points, and after that click view all media, and that's it. Here you can find it, and then just go back, and I hope that can help you, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.